Hello Nissan enthusiasts, we here at Conicelli Nissan Service Center, we're here ready to kick off the new year with some fantastic January specials that will have you cruising into 2024 in style. First up, give your Nissan a royal treatment with our oil change and tire rotation special for just $84.95. It's the perfect way to keep your ride running smoothly as we embark on a new year of adventures.
Now here's a deal that's music to your ears. $100 off a Warranty Solutions purchase. Protect your car's future with an extended service contract. Conicelli Nissan has got you covered. Just ask your service advisor for all the exciting details.
And speaking of protection, ensure a strong start to your year with $20 off a battery replacement. Don't let a weak battery leave you stranded. Conicelli Nissan is here to power up your journey.
Ready to give your Nissan the care it deserves in 2024? Call us now at Conicelli Nissan Service. The number is 888-289-5948 or visit ConicelliService.com to schedule your service appointment. Let's make this year a memorable one for your Nissan.
Embark on a new year adventure with Conicelli Nissan. As winter chills fade, our hot red deals are here to spark up your 2024. Drive into the new year with confidence, warmth, and incredible savings that will light up your journey. Conicelli Nissan Service Center, a nice place to do business.